Partitioning lines. Given the point A, -2, 3, and B, 4, 8, determine the coordinates of a point P on the line segment AB that partitions AB into the ratio 1 to 5. So I'm going to draw a little picture here and say here's our line segment, and here's an estimate of where that point would go, so that if we label the two sections of this line segment AB, if we call the two sections A and B, A divided by B would have a ratio of 1 to 5. It would equal, if you simplified it, 1 over 5 or 1/5. Okay, well, the answer for this is that you use the equation for calculating the point, the coordinates of a point that would partition the line into this ratio. So here's your equation, and now we just need to plug in some values. Our x1, y1, x2, y2 are these 2 points. That shouldn't be right that far down, but those are the values. And if we go on, we could say that x1 equals -2 and so forth. We also know that a over b should be 1 over 5. That's the same as saying a to b is 1 to 5. And that's also the same as saying is that as far as our ratio is concerned, it's going to be a is 1 and b is 5. Okay, that's not necessarily what these lengths will actually be, but the ratio will be 1 to 5, and we can use these values in the equation. Simply plug in the values. When you plug it in and simplify, you'll get to the point where you have -1 and 3.8. That is the correct answer. If you wanted to do a little bit extra work now, you could now calculate, you could write the ordered pair here at that point, and calculate the actual length of A using the distance formula and the actual length of B using the distance formula, and see if A divided by B gives you 1/5. If you have any questions, message me on Remind.